After having 2 lenses cleaned and 1 SLR body fixed successfully, I decided to send a bunch of other vintage cameras I had around the house to them for diagnosis. I got these stuff back after 3 weeks. Not all were worth fixing or cleaning, they said. This Pentax ESPIO 738 point-and-shoot still boots up when you put in a pair of CR1238 batteries, and the lens mechanism also extends and retracts normally, but Don Camera Shop said that the lens was too damaged by fungus, smoked was the word he used, and that it was not worth the money to clean or fix it successfully. This is a Pentax Zoom 280p point-and-shoot. It starts at a wide 28mm and can even do multiple exposures. Alas, Don Camera Shop also said that the lens is too fungus damaged to be worth it to clean. It still powers on and the lens retraction mechanism still works. This is a Pentax ESPIO AF Zoom, and again, Don Camera Shop said that this lens is also too fungus damaged to be worth it to clean. It still powers on and the lens retraction mechanism also still works.